In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, the concept of the metaverse has garnered substantial attention in recent years. Often portrayed as a virtual universe where digital and physical realities merge, the metaverse holds the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact. At the heart of this transformation stands artificial intelligence or AI, playing a pivotal role in shaping the metaverse into a vibrant and immersive digital realm. AI's influence on the metaverse begins with its ability to create incredibly realistic virtual environments. Through advanced algorithms, AI can generate lifelike 3D models, textures, and animations, enabling users to step into immersive and visually stunning digital spaces. This realism enhances the overall metaverse experience, making it more engaging and enjoyable. AI excels at understanding user preferences and behaviors. In the metaverse, AI can leverage data from users' interactions to personalize their experiences. Whether it's recommending virtual events, tailoring avatars, or suggesting social interactions, AI driven personalization enhances user engagement and retention within the metaverse. Communication is key in the metaverse, and AI driven NLP technology is central to facilitating seamless conversations between users. AI chatbots and virtual assistants enable real time language translation, enabling individuals from different linguistic backgrounds to connect effortlessly. This fosters a more inclusive and diverse metaverse community. The metaverse demands a constant influx of content, from virtual buildings and landscapes to entertainment experiences. AI driven content generation tools such as procedural generation and neural networks can create vast amounts of content efficiently. This reduces the burden on human creators and ensures a constantly evolving and dynamic metaverse. As the metaverse expands, the need for security and moderation becomes paramount. AI driven algorithms can monitor user interactions, detect harmful or inappropriate content, can take proactive measures to maintain a safe environment. This ensures that the metaverse remains a welcoming and secure place for all users. In the metaverse, users will encounter not only users but also AI driven NPCs and virtual entities. These AI entities can provide dynamic and engaging interactions, adapting to user actions and choices, making the metaverse feel more like a living, breathing world. AI powered recommendation systems will play a significant role in the metaverse's commerce aspect. These systems can analyze user preferences, behaviors, and transaction histories to suggest virtual products, services, or experiences, driving economic growth within the metaverse. AI driven virtual healthcare providers and educational platforms can offer personalized medical advice and learning experiences within the metaverse. This extends the metaverse's utility beyond entertainment, making it a valuable tool for personal development and well being. In short, AI is said to be the driving force behind the metaverse's transformation into a vibrant and interconnected digital universe. From creating immersive environments to enhancing user interactions and ensuring security, AI's capabilities are essential in shaping the metaverse's future. As technology continues to advance, AI's role in the metaverse will only become more pronounced, ushering in a new era of virtual experiences and possibilities.